Benedictine University is known for its scholastic excellence. We have an outstanding science program. Our liberal arts and humanities, our social sciences. We prepare our students well, whether they're going on to graduate school, whether they're going to professional school, they go out into the workforce. We'd be honored to have you, who are excellent students, to be part of Benedictine University and to continue your journey here. We will do you well, and we'll be proud to have you as a student.
A Benedictine monk and teacher once said that Benedictine University must take a leading role in the study of science or face a future of insignificance. Those words are as true today as when they were first spoken more than 80 years ago. Benedictine University ranks among the nation's leaders in the study of science. Benedictine has been recognized by the U.S. Congress Office of Technology and Assessment, the National Endowment for the Humanities, and the National Science Foundation. Our science graduates have been accepted to graduate and professional schools at such prestigious institutions as Harvard, Yale, Columbia, Duke, Johns Hopkins, the Mayo Clinic, Vanderbilt, Case Western, the University of Chicago, and Northwestern.
When I apply to graduate school next year, I'm going to have something very good on my resume, being that I did research at Oregon. Anybody that goes to grad school needs to do some research, and being it in a national laboratory even makes it look better.
Benedictine has long been ranked at or near the top in Illinois for the percentage of graduates who earn degrees in sciences. During a recent 10-year span, 75% of graduates in biochemistry and molecular biology matriculated to doctoral programs.
They did an excellent job at preparing me for my next step in higher education.
The medical staff at Edward Hospital in Naperville includes more than 30 Benedictine University graduates.
The liberal arts education was an important part of making me a well-rounded physician.
The university's tradition of excellence in the sciences can be traced to people such as brothers Edmund and Hilary Jerica, Benedictine monks who were pioneers both as educators and naturalists, William Shanka, a physicist who made significant contributions to America's fledgling space program, Rose Carney, a member of the university's faculty for more than 40 years, who worked with some of the country's leading scientists on the Manhattan Project, and David Rausch, whose teaching career at Benedictine spanned 5 decades. These people and others laid the foundation for excellence in academics and research that still reverberates through the College of Science. Today, the College of Science offers a number of traditional degree programs in the life, physical, computer, and medical sciences. Biology ranks at or near the top of major choices by incoming freshmen. Benedictine's Biological Sciences Department has prepared hundreds of students for graduate school and research careers, particularly in the areas of molecular biology and biomedical science. Our students attain a high level of applied experience through laboratory science, fieldwork, and research opportunities. The latest instruments and summer research opportunities are among the amenities available through the Department of Chemistry. 2 chemistry courses were recently cited by a national accrediting organization as among the best in the country. Graduates from the Department of Chemistry can be found in leading research roles at major U.S. facilities or teaching others to prepare them for their roles in groundbreaking work. An advanced computer research laboratory is among the features of Benedictine University's Department of Computer Science and Information Systems. A multiprocessor Linux cluster is among the latest hardware available to Benedictine students who enjoy classes small enough for personal attention and an experienced faculty with expertise in all areas of computer science.
Rather than just giving them book knowledge, we actually model the true science process in our labs and in our research environment, and that sets us apart from our peers.
Students who elect to pursue a degree in mathematics develop a foundation for careers as teachers, engineers, and economists, while physics majors benefit from a joint engineering program through a partnership with the Illinois Institute of Technology. The success of our graduates is also fueled by a strong, collaborative, interdisciplinary research program that enables students from a range of programs to work with faculty on various research problems. During the past few years, more than 250 students have engaged in undergraduate research projects during the academic year and summer months. 90% of those students who participated in an undergraduate research program have gone on to doctoral programs in the sciences.
Going to school at Benedictine was a wonderful thing for me because it allowed me to have the very best science program, but also an environment in the Chicago area where I could be exposed to first-class medical facilities. We did internships at the nearby hospitals. It was a great opportunity because within a half-an-hour drive, you could be down at one of the major medical centers, helping out on research projects while you were still in college. And the school did everything it could to facilitate these opportunities from their former students who were now at the universities.
Students in the College of Science enjoy some of the finest facilities anywhere. The 70,000 square foot Burke Hall of Science, completed in 2001, houses interdisciplinary laboratories and classrooms, large instrumentation, research, and general science labs.
And when I first joined Benedictine 4 years ago, I walked in and I said, wow, wouldn't it be great if I could have a GC, an HPLC, and IR? And not only did we get this equipment in, but it's top of the line. It's research-grade equipment. It can compete with the best that's out there, so that's really exciting.
Our reputation in the scientific community also allows us to secure grants that make leading-edge hardware available to our students. For example, a grant from Lycor Biosciences of Lincoln, Nebraska, allowed the university to purchase a DNA sequencer that enables students to investigate the structural information encoded in the human genome and keep pace with the advancements being made daily in applying that information towards solving biomedical problems. The College of Science also features one of the most modern research facilities for the study of aging and quality of life. The activities of Daily Living Performance Enhancement Center at Villa St. Benedict, a retirement community located across the street from Benedictine's Lisle campus, is part of a formal partnership between the Master of Science in Clinical Exercise Physiology program, MCEP, at Benedictine University and Villa St. Benedict. Here, candidates in the MCEP program and students from other programs or universities can apply what they learn in the classroom.
We could not have done a program like this without the academic influence.
What they have learned in class, they are able to apply.
Partnerships and grants are crucial to learning and research, and Benedictine University's College of Science has established relationships with many of the leading research institutions in the country. Benedictine University faculty and students continue to perform groundbreaking research through partnerships with Argonne National Laboratory and Fermilab, and other research efforts are supported by funding from renowned organizations such as the National Science Foundation, the Department of Energy, and the Howard Hughes Medical Institute. Graduates of Benedictine University and the College of Science can be found in all walks of life: engineers, researchers, educators, and doctors. They continue to break ground and reinforce the tradition of excellence established years ago.
I once told a mother, trust the science program, because someday they're going to make your child a physician. That mother the other day brought back that young doctor and introduced himself to me and said, thank you.
Nearly a century ago, Father Cosmas Vesely, a Benedictine monk and former chancellor of the university, said, "While the attention of the world is centered on the sciences, we must do our share of investigation or be relegated to an inferior position." Whether it's groundbreaking research or solving life's everyday problems, the focus of the world remains pointedly and poignantly on the sciences. And the faculty, students, and staff in the College of Science at Benedictine University are not interested in pushing the cart. They're dedicated to pushing the envelope.